Hello and welcome back to my channel. These tomato plants aren't going to be small for long. This is my 5-bucket system here. There's going to be another stringer of plants on the other side with another tub and the master blend. But these plants are only just like children. They're only small for a short time. Last year my plants grew up to 10, 11 feet. Now what I did last year, and I have it right here, because if you're thinking of using these tomato cages, they're only going to work for a few weeks. Then you got to get them out. So forget the tomato cage. What I used last year is this little product right here, and they hold your plant, and you normally have a better string than this. This is just something I have laying around. And anyway, you have that, it grabs the corner of it, and then you close this, you clasp it here, and the tomato plant is being held, and then you have your string tying up to your structure. Now my structure here, I made this last year as well. We loosen this guy up. I made this. This is all PVC. This is 3/4 inch thin wall PVC. It's a little flimsy, but you don't care. It's not going to be for a snowstorm. It's just to be holding these plants up. And you can see this right here is holding one of my plants. That's the tallest plant in the group of 5 right now. It has tomatoes on it, and its little clip is down here. So, and then later on in time, this structure here is going to be boosted up another 3 feet, and I have another made structure that's underneath here that I just clipped together with a piece of union, the 3/4 inch union, not glued. And then you can disassemble. Now this part right here was a part of a 3-part system. I took it all apart, just snapped it, put it away for the winter, and then brought it back out now for the tomato season. It goes together nice, and then it's easy to maintain. You know, you put it out of your way, and you get all these PVC pieces, the T's, the part, and the part way up over here. You're going to need to glue that, because it's not going to stay together if it does get windy. And it will get, when it gets windy, these plants are going to move, and it's going to move the structure too. But that's okay. It's not meant for a snowstorm. This is up during a hurricane season. You just don't have, and the wind will blow right through it. So anyway, that's what I have for you today. An easy structure, not too expensive. And this little guy here is going to help you a lot. And I'll have some pictures that I'll add in this video that show where I have groups of 5 and 6 tomatoes. There's so much weight for the branch that the branch is being held by one of these, and keeps my tomatoes from snapping the branch and losing the tomatoes. So one of the things I forgot to mention about the PVC greenhouse is I have womanized 2x4s running along the floor. And then I had these 3/4 inch electrical conduit clamps, and I put the PVC pipe in it at the base and screw it down with any kind of little wood screw, you know, deck screw, 1 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 whatever. And you clamp that in with the pipe, and it's going to hold your structure more steady. So that's it for today. If you found this information useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.